Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome to this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's Friday, January the 8th, 2021. And in this additional, we have here eight extra Sudokus. Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars. Tectonic with 1 star. Tectonic with 4 stars. Binary number 1 and a binary number 2. So total of 8 extra Sudokus. And I won't do them all. Too much. Time consuming. I only solve 4 of them. And the 4 Sudokus I will solve will be the 3 stars, the 4 stars, 1 tectonic, and 1 binary. Alright. And the first Sudoku will be a number with the 3 stars 2131. 2131. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. It's a kind of difficulty level. You can see the less printed numbers, the more the difficulty level will be higher. It's not always true. If you have a Sudoku with a lot of pairs, then it will be much more difficult than you expect. Yes. 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 3 is 9, plus 2 is 11, plus 2 is 13, plus 4 is 17, plus 3 is 20, 22, plus 3, 25. As expected, the 3-star Sudoku has always 25 printed digits. And you cannot tell for the 1 star, the 2 stars, and the 4 stars, because lately the publisher has published all the 25 printed digits for the 1 star, 2 stars, and 4 stars or so. Alright, so let's get started. Middle column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. We see here 6 in this big square. So no 6s in those 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And then I cannot continue with the 6. I see. How about the number How about the 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place for a 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this row for the numbers 3 and 7. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 7 goes there. And then 2 numbers left in the middle column for the numbers 2 and 9. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in this row, a 9 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only two places for the 9 should be here. Oh, there we see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for a 9 should be here. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for a 9 should be there. 9 in the third column, 9 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see a digit number 1, number 9. All right. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row, so the row above. The only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 1. How about the number 3 in this big square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. There 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. And then 2, 3, 5. How about the 3? The missing number in this big square is a 3. One of the number is a 3. We have 4 missing numbers. We see there 3, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here or could be there. So we have a 3 in the last row, a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So in that row, the only place for a 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 3. How about these 2 numbers in the second row? Those missing numbers in the second row are the numbers 2 and 8. 2 and 8, we see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 2 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left now in this big square for the numbers 7 and 2. 7 and 2. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and 2. Alright. 2 numbers left in this column. Also the 7 and the 5, I believe. 7 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 here. So this can't be 7 anymore. This should be a 7. And this should be a 2. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 4. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 4. 7 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And then. 3, 2. Yes. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for a 2 should be there. 2 numbers left now. The 3 and the 5. And I cannot fill this yet. Need to mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 2 numbers left in this column. for the numbers 1 and 7. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 7 goes there. The other pair in this big square should be for the numbers 2 and 5. Still cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two numbers, 2 and 5. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. You see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And I have eliminated the 3 because those 2 dots are reserved for the 3. Look, one of the missing number in this big square is a 3. We see here 3. No 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there, so this cannot be 3 anymore. This should be the 3. And this should be a 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be a 5, and this should be a 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Yes. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. You see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 1 number left in the first row for the number 4. 1 number left in the last row for the number 8. 8 is missing. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 8 goes there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 6 in this first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for a 6 should be there. 1 number left in the third column for the number 7. 1 number left in this row for the number 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 number left in the middle row for the number 5. 5 is missing, yes. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 1. 5 and 1. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6. And the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 3 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this 3 stars Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku, a 4 stars Sudoku. Will this be faster than the 3 stars? I do not know. We will see. So, see you later. Bye-bye for now.